Good day everyone! A quick reaction and thoughts regarding dito sa plunder case that they filed against our Vice President Sara Duterte. And let's listen to one of the prominent person that is currently involved dito sa plunder case.
We fervently hope that our charges of plunder, malversation, bribery, graft and corruption, betrayal of public trust, and gross violation of the Constitution be upheld against Vice President Sara Duterte. And she at least be called upon to account, one, on hundreds of millions of confidential funds that she plundered. Sapagkat ang confidential funds ay public funds. Ito ay dapat suriin kung ito ay ginamit sa tamang pamamaraan. Sir, tama. At ito yung dapat nilang ipaliwanag sa tamang plataforma. Ang problema, hindi naman nila pinaliwanag na maayos eh. Very evasive sila to begin with. And OWA itself has already determined there were misuse and there was a manner of the confidential funds not brought to its proper use.
Okay, valid points were raised, but we're gonna focus on confidential fund is public funds. Article 3, Section 7 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution guarantees the right to information. Ito po yung ating Bill of Rights, stating that the people have the right to access public records, official documents, and government datas. Tama naman dito si Father, no? Na ang confidential fund technically is public funds. At anuman nga pong paggamit ng public funds ay kailangang malaman ng taong bayan. Meron po tayong dalawang Supreme Court ruling dyan as a reference, which is GR number L-722119, which recognized the right of the people on matters of public concern, and GR number 133250, where the Supreme Court has ruled that the right to information, particularly regarding public funds and government transactions, is indispensable in ensuring the citizens can meaningfully exercise their right to participate in public affairs. But is this right an absolute thing? Hindi, kasi kung binasa din ni Father, yung mismo nakalagay sa Article 3, Section 7 ng ating 1987 Constitution, ang sabi doon sa dulo, na ang karapatang ito ay hindi po absolute at ito ay may limitasyon base sa mga naipasang batas. So malinaw. And based po sa recent Supreme Court ruling under GR number 270157, ang sabi nga po dito is the right to information and the policy of public disclosure are not absolute. Both are subjects to reasonable limitations recognized under law and jurisprudence. So ano po ba itong mga batas na ito na naglalagay ng limitation sa kung ano ang pwedeng malaman ng taong bayan or ng public? Isa po sa mga batas na to ang Republic Act number 6713 na nagsasabi po sa Section 7, Paragraph C, patungkol sa disclosure and or misuse of confidential information. Ang sabi po dito, public officials and employees shall not use or divulge confidential or classified information officially known to them by reason of their office and not made available to the public. And another Republic Act, which is Republic Act number 319, which is Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act. So sa Section 3 po, ito po ay under corrupt practices of public officers. Section 3, Paragraph K, ang sabi po dito, divulging valuable information of a confidential character acquired by his office or by him on account of his official position to unauthorized persons or releasing such information in advance of its authorized release date. Malinaw naman po. And hopefully I was able to explain it properly na mayroon pong mga batas na malalabag ang opisina ng ating Vice President kapag kanya itong dinivulge informations regarding the use of confidential funds. Now, is this restriction is absolute na hindi pwedeng ilabas ang mga information regarding confidential funds and how it was used? Itatakal po natin yan sa next topic. But for now, malinaw, nasagot natin yung dalawang point ni Father Villanueva, which is one, yes, it's true, confidential fund technically is a public fund, but there are limitation on how these are gonna be divulged, which answers na rin yung pangalawang point nila na hindi daw na-explain ng maayos in public ang paggamit ng confidential funds. So, I'm hoping na yung mga lawyers sa paligid ni Father Villanueva was able to tell him this information. So, for now, yun lang.